An average student, like maximum of the youth of the country, an average student who used to get average marks, an average student, a mediocre student, like the maximum youth of India, who's never exposed to the growth, the charming life of the country. Yes, I was the average so-called student. The average grade scholar who never got more than 70 or 80. The reason I donated the 30 marks was not that I had some issues, or was that I had to donate those marks? No, my dear friends. Those marks, the so-called average scholared 60, 70 marks, were the biggest reason which made me so-called average mediocre personality. The marks are the stamp towards the growth. Marks are the stamp towards your admissions. The peer pressure is already there. शर्मा जी का बेटा तो है ही, लेकिन जब cousins हों और relatives में, there is a competition that starts within the organizations, within the home, within the family. That's the worst part. Our Indian education system is expected like this picture, where I changed the entire ecosystem. How I came out, how I decided to be in this industry, how an average person transformed. So I'll be sharing this secret in front of you. Today I'll be revealing the secret. Yes, my dear friends, how I reached to the world record, how the other achievements came into the bag. This average thing was being there till my schooling. Somehow cleared the 12th because I was not able to cram, because I was not able to follow the rat race, because I was not able to follow the entire ecosystem of our education system. 30 marks went there. One day, I had to shift my position nearby to my house to live with my grandmother. That was that place which changed my entire turning point. That place where there was no one to judge me, the place where there was no one to expect from me, there was no one to say what you can do and what you cannot. So that was the journey, the transforming magic took place. The magic started when I received a call one day. I was sitting with my grandmother. My friend called me and said, I am coming to your place. I have just joined a recent coaching institute and I have to travel 15 kilometers, Pranav, and you are just 5 minutes away. I need your help, badly need your help. I cannot leave the coaching institute because there's the policy. I cannot leave in the middle of the session. I need a backup if you can arrange or if you can come. I said, fine, I can come down. I just cleared my 12th. Okay. I started with 2 students. I got 1,400 bucks. That's fine for me to enjoy 1 hour. Later and gradually, this thing changed from 2 hours, 2 students, to 2,500 students academy. I don't know why. It was only the practice that I was doing. Still, I was not into it. Still, it was not my goal of my life. Still, I was unaware what to do in my life. Unlike all the students, I entered into engineering. With the same grace, strategy, 1 day examination, 1 day study before the examination. But no, I was different. Why? Because I cannot cram. I cannot have the rote learning thing. I cannot just, read the things and write it exactly word to word. So I had to interpret in my own language. Here was the crack. The crack here is the entire ecosystem helped me with the universe law of attraction. From 2,500 students, it was only my interest area because I was getting huge money. From 1,400 to 3 lakh a month, and that too from a coaching institute. Even after shedding 70% or 60% to the institute. That was so cool for a student. But I experimented. I tried each and every innovative thing which could change this education paradigm, and I'll be sharing the secret with you. That transformation was interest to hobby, hobby to passion, and passion became what I love, teaching and training. Now I love what I do, that is teaching and training. In 2021, that average student started, and now holder of 3 patents, 4 books, multiple research papers, going to complete my research PhD by next year, and not just only this, the entire journey from an assistant professor to a training and placement officer, from a director position to moving into corporates, from manager to assistant manager to deputy manager, and handling the vice president profile. From one single center to one branch, from one branch to multiple sales centers across the country. What was the magic all about? The magic was the world record, which I recently got in December. What was the magic? Let's reveal the secret. Let's reveal it. But this secret is for whom? For students? Yes. For teachers? Yes, definitely. For trainers? Yes, of course. For training institutions? Definitely. For education institutions? Yes, for sure. Schools, colleges, directors, principals, and even each and every management institutions. Yes, the secret is this. The secret is project-based learning, problem-based learning. The project-based learning, problem-based learning, what is this all about? Please tell me something. So I asked one student, why do you want to do engineering? Sir, I want to do engineering because I love cars. So he decided to do mechanical engineering in India. So when I went across the countries and studied 56 education systems across the globe and studied the top 500 institutions of the world and tried how they are different and why can't we be so unique? There comes the secret, project-based learning. So when I asked a student from a foreign university, why engineering? He said, sir, our ecosystem has got some dangerous reports. What dangerous reports? Sir, our cars are emitting carbon dioxide and carbon monoxide. And now I'll be doing engineering to make that car with a filter system which will emit only oxygen, not carbon monoxide. And in the 4 years, the target was to build that car. That was engineering. That was project-based learning. How can we introduce that? Let's come ahead. I feel proud to be directly and indirectly be associated for the National Education Policy 2021 draft, where I acknowledge that yes, the maximum things which I am revealing the secret one by one to you is the real thing which I practiced. There are few, it's an infinite scope, but few I'm sharing it with you. Ask the questions why. What, when, where, why, how? Ask the questions. Even I asked to Pandit ji, chunni kyun pa dalte hain mandir aane se pehle? Even I asked the person, why do we have a tilak over here? Have you ever wondered why? Have that question, why and why not? Why the droplets of rainwater are in circumference or in circle? Why not in square and rectangle and triangle? Why not? So the question is, we have stopped asking the questions, why? We are in a cycle of question-answer cycle, question-answer cycle. You give the question, I'll give the answer, I'll get the marks, and we are stuck in this cycle. Break this pattern. We cannot escape it, but we can modify it. We're having foreign universities and tier 1 institutions of the country. There's a rule of 40:40:20. What is that? 40% of case study based learning, 40% projects, and 20% classroom lectures. That's it. This is all about the project-based learning. And what are the 4 pillars? Teaching, training, consulting, and research. Every professor, every teacher, everyone from a schooling of pre-nursery student, a teacher who's teaching into pre-nursery till research scholar or PhD, everyone should be given the right to do consulting. Be an expert, be a consultant to other schools. Be an expert in your research area. Be an expert in teaching. Be an expert in training. These are the 4 pillars on which the world's 500 countries, universities are standing. 500 schools are standing. Then let's go about internships. As a fact, 38% to 40% internships or projects are being brought from market, piled up, and submitted to the college. And this is the opportunity, my dear friends. Internships are the key door openers for your success. Why only in college? Why not in schools? Why can't we join NGOs? Why can't we join clubs? Why can't we join some internship or projects which will enable us to give the exposure? Then comes simulation or games. Create an environment. There are free simulation games which are available. Ask the teachers or go ahead yourself. Bring an environment and an ecosystem which will give a student the real-time exposure, real-time projects. This is all about how I used to teach, through movies, through biopics, and through documentaries. A classroom teaching like here can be transformed, can be changed. Also, there is a habit. Now I want all of you to ensure that you start writing diary. Oh, come on, sir, it's boring. No, my dear friend, start journaling. That's the key day for you. There is a journal, and I want all of you to journal it. Journal is a diary, is a slam book for youth of 2021. If you journal it, and if you don't succeed in life, I'll give you the details. Do write back to me. Sir, it has no value. I can guarantee you, if you start doing journaling in your life every day, life transforms the day one. Research-based learning, teachers can give ideas. Like kids need what? Chocolates, Maggie, or some other noodles and things. There are many games and activities. What we can do about that? Okay, a group of 5 can compare the chocolates. How? The wrapper, the gram, the cost per gram, the color, why it's always purple, why it's always rectangle, why not sphere, why not round, why not? So there are answers to each and every question. That's the real-time project. And you can take those projects from daily life. Directly or indirectly, we are learning business studies from there. We are understanding the concept of financial accounting from that. We are getting all the concepts of science, biology, and various other literatures across the country. That's the real-time thing which I personally believe. Have a customized video and have peer group or syndicate, which I call as syndicate T group training sessions. That's the best thing which I love. That's VAK, video, audio, and kinesthetics. So let the movement be there. Movement of the organ, movement of the brain, movement of the hands, the gestures are being involved. The training sessions, the teaching is entirely into fun activities. You burst a balloon, there is one question. And that question is a quiz. If you answer it, you will get the prize. So with that bursting, you are encouraging and removing the hesitation. So I introduced role plays in my classrooms. I introduced the negotiation, maybe arbitration, maybe anything into the classroom through role plays, through acting, through theater. That was the biggest challenge because of resources, places, and timings. But yes, it was a successful journey while implementing these activities. Attending open mics, talent hunt competitions, cultural fests, in colleges, in schools, in annual day functions. Parents, my dear friends, please allow your students Please allow your voice. Students, participate. This is the key success. Why? Participation will give you failure or a lesson. And every failure is a single step towards success. So the more is the participation, I'll give you one secret over here in the next slide. The next one is flipped classrooms. Traditional teaching, students are there, I write it on the board and I teach. Then I'll give you the homework. That's a traditional classroom. My dear friends, flipped classroom is I'll give you the content, I'll give you the notes, and I'll give you the entire recorded video. Study at your home and come in the class with a group of 5 and ask only the doubts and nothing else. That's what is flipped classrooms. We are turning the things upside down. Value-added courses are there. Video, these are such activities which one should follow. Success comes from each failure. Remember, my dear friends, the secret is only preparation, hard work, and learning from failures. I'll tell you one small story. I went to a friend to drop his to a competition, right? And I was in a sleepers. I participated forcefully because of him. It was a national competition, case study. We won the first prize. It was not about how you look. It's not about what you speak. It's only about how you deliver. So the more important is you are persistent towards it. So I am in a mission to teach and train 1 lakh students, 10,000 teachers, 1,000 directors and principals, 100 CXOs, and able to adopt 10 corporate houses, learning and development departments. And last but not the least, one, I have to update it myself every day. And there is a star. Every deal is having a star. It means no conditions apply, no charges, no terms and conditions, no hidden propaganda. So the mission is clear. I'll be serving back to the society what society has given back to me. Last is the crux of project-based learning. What we see is retained by us for 5%. What we hear for 10%. What we do and what we learn, the learning curve entirely changes. When we teach, the retention is 80 to 90%. When we involve into it, it's 90%, my dear friends. Tell me, and I forget. Teach me, and I remember. Involve me, and I learn. Benjamin Franklin clearly said that. I'm just giving a small amendment to it. Allow me to teach you, and let's evolve you and me together. Thank you so much. That was about time. Thank you so much.